Alright, so we're about to be doing legs, forearms, you know, the gist. Let's do this. I'm planning to do supersets every single exercise. So yeah, I'm able to have like the quickest but most effective. So we're starting off leg curls. Leg curls, so I warm up my knees. Then then we're supersetting that with calf raises on this like leg drive machine. So I'm able to get the best stretch and squeeze in my calves. Then, game plan, probably squats. Yeah, most likely it's just gonna be, you know, the hack squat or whatever you call it machine. And then, yeah, like the usual. Let's do it. Come on. Alright, yeah, hold up. I'm going to fail here. It's just not gonna have enough time, I swear. Let's do it. There, that's. Alright. So now I can just go. I got two more. I got.
It's also like it's just so much big muscle.
squats. Squats. Let's do it. Got flip flops on. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's do back extensions. Alright. Deadlift supersetted with forearm extensions. Let's
Physics freshman year for $9, and then bio. So here's a different picture of it too. Ours is nervous system, bio, obviously when you don't really have to take it, same thing, but they push it. And then see, that's how they do whatever we want. Unless you have stuff to do.
Alright, let's do forearm. do leg extensions supersetted with forearm curls. Alright, let's do the forearm curls, because it turns out that every single leg extension is literally full. All three of them, or all two of them, I should say. So let's just do it. Alright, I'll see you guys for chest, shoulders, triceps. Yeah. I really wish I could start training harder on legs. But they only have a certain number, and it's always the most popular machines. No excuses though, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get better. See you guys later.